If you want to go live quickly, you can start with a GetResponse branded domain and connect a custom domain later. Simply create a subdomain name and click Publish. I'll show you how to update it later. If you need a custom domain, you can buy it through GetResponse on the Creator Plan or higher, or from a registrar like GoDaddy, Squarespace Domains, or Namecheap. Links are in the description. Assuming that you have a custom domain, let's set it up now. At the bottom right, under Connect a Domain, click Connect. Give your landing page a public name. Then, click Add a new domain. You can either use a dedicated domain, for example, yourproduct.com, or set up a subdomain, which is a section of your main domain that acts as a separate website, like promo.yourwebsite.com instead of yourwebsite.com. Why would you use a subdomain? Well, it keeps your branding consistent and doesn't require buying a new domain. Each provider's setup is slightly different, so today I'll show you how to do this in GoDaddy. Enter your subdomain or domain, then click Add. GetResponse will provide DNS instructions. Follow these steps to update your records. Copy the CNAME record provided by GetResponse. Log into your domain provider and open your DNS settings. Add a new CNAME record. In the name field, enter your subdomain, for example, just cat sweater without the full domain. In the value field, paste the text provided by GetResponse. Then click Save. Return to GetResponse and click Got It to close the pop-up. A message will appear asking, which domain would you like to use? Select your new subdomain from the dropdown. Then click Publish. You'll be routed back to the landing page's dashboard. Your landing page may show as pending while the DNS updates. This can take up to 24 hours, but it's usually much faster. Next, test your page. Type your new landing page URL into your browser or click the link under your landing page name to see it live. Here's how our finished landing page looks. I think it turned out great. If you ever need to make updates to your domains or subdomains, click the profile icon in the top right and select Emails and Domains. Open the Website and Landing Page Domains tab to manage your connected domains.